Guys, so it's very important for your back foot to roll, and as it roll, it's gonna gradually turn, 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 and as you change your pendulum for this pendulum of the hip for this final moment, that's your final position of the foot. This way, never here, never here. And most important is make sure don't do it right away. It has to happen gradually, like you're rolling, peeling from the back foot, gradual process. And as you peel that heel, it's gradually turn, 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 turn until you cannot feel it anymore. And then you're going to start your hip action and it's going to take you to the next step. So one more time. So gradual foot finishing, never right away. So gradual. So we roll from the foot, roll, 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 is turning to this position. So each step should finish ideally here, not here.